Hi, Norbert here, energy engineer, and today in video 28 explaining how to use a lithium iron phosphate battery like this one. This is also a review of this battery, which has a capacity of more than 1 kilowatt hour. So why should you see this video and even until the end? First, because it is short. Then also because at the end of the video I will teach you a trick how to keep the charger at a low price. And most of all because at the end of this video you will understand all the advantages of using this kind of solution, a solution of independence. How to use this battery also together with other components like the inverter and the solar charge controller. In short, the advantages are very low life cycle cost, even in comparison with the other lithium battery that run of the home PV system. And second, you have a high capacity but with a low weight. And the third one, because of its long lifetime, you will have a reliable solution for off-grid hiking and also a blackout. Yes, reliability is extreme with this battery, because in order to make a good review of this battery, I should wait until the end of the lifetime. So the next video about this battery could be in about 15 years. See you! Okay, so if you like these advantages, go on. But maybe first you hit the like button and you subscribe in order to participate in the 360 degrees innovation and start the energy transition from the bottom up. So let's start with the details. The main reason I bought this battery is its low cost of usage. In video 25C2 of 1 week ago, you learned that the cost per kilowatt hour for this battery is 4 times as low as that one of a lead battery. This one, that's also 100 ampere hours, but a little bit heavier. Moreover, it has a weight of a 6-pack of mineral water bottles, which is an acceptable maximum for people that come out of the supermarket. This battery is also a little bit easier to charge in comparison with the lead battery. And it has even an incorporated BMS battery management system to protect your investment. Why is it easier? You see here this charge curve, which is a constant current and then constant voltage characteristic, which is the standard to charge this battery without damaging. It seems complex, but it is the same as filling the water container of the toilet. The water flow is constant until the float ball is starting to move. And at the end of the video I will tell you how to do this charging with a reasonable price. Now, how can you use this battery? For example, if you are going on a camping, if you have a blackout, or maybe to live completely off-grid. Well, you saw in my video number 8 and also 22 how to do that. And I showed you a system with a battery, an inverter and this charger. I made even a review of this charger. It's number 10A. You can use all these 3 components, or you can critically ask yourself if you really need high voltage, like 230 or 110 volt AC. Because if you can find your things, your devices, on a voltage of 12 volt, well then you have this exit here, which also supplies this voltage 12 volt. It's regulated, and if the battery is discharged too much, then it will start it off, so protect the battery. And in that way you save on the inverter. And you save also energy. The maximum specified load by the manufacturer of this battery is 1200 watt. That is 100 ampere. And you will deplete it in 1 hour. Less in reality. I really would keep this maximum power at 500 watt, then the battery will live longer. If you use the link in the description to find this battery, then you will pay the same price as someone who just buys it at Amazon without going to this link. But you will have the advantage of choosing together with me, and you will also support me in making these videos. So as promised, here is the bonus for the persistent watcher. So a trick how to save on the charger for this battery is to buy a normal laboratory power supply, which is perfect for this battery because it complies to the particular curve of charge for this type of batteries, and also it costs at least twice as less as a normal regular charger, which can only charge this type of battery. I bought one, you see it here, and I will put it in a review in the next video. The big advantage of this solution is that you have a universal power supply which can serve you for so many other things, not only for charging this battery. It's like comparing a Swiss knife with a normal knife. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel and put a notification so that you will always know when there's a new video. I would really like to be able to make a full-time job of this YouTube channel and help you do-it-yourselfer to keep on control over your energy situation. Not only to make and to save energy, but also to be resilient in case of problems with the infrastructure. So I wish you a good energy.